Alright guys, in this video, this is project number 2 in Elenco Snap Circuit Extreme kit, DC motor and switch, where I'm going to be changing the electrical power into mechanical power by using a battery, a switch, and a motor. So when I turn the circuit on, when I turn the switch on, the 3-volt battery is going to be charging the motor, causing rotary motion and the fan to spin. And this is a kind of circuit that's used in cordless drill, electric toothbrush, and toy trains that all run on batteries, just to name a few. So when I turn on the circuit, well, first here's the schematic of how it looks. B1 is the battery, 3 volts. S1 is the switch in off position currently, and the motor is M1, which is going to cause the fan to spin when I turn on the switch. And when I turn it off, it stops spinning.